Elon Musk operates at the intersection of several of the world's most complex industries. Traditionally, these ventures appeared unrelated. On one end, Tesla manages heavy manufacturing and battery supply chains for terrestrial transport. On the other, SpaceX focuses on orbital mechanics and aerospace logistics. His newest company, xAI, adds a layer of abstract digital intelligence to this portfolio, seemingly far removed from the physical work of building cars or rockets. Viewing these companies in isolation obscures a deeper architecture. Each venture functions as a specific component designed for a larger, integrated network that is only now becoming visible. This integration is taking physical shape inside the Seahome power plant in Austin, Texas. This is the site of Terafab. It is a $25 billion facility designed to consolidate every stage of chip production, from initial design to final testing within a single building. The facility aims to produce 1 terawatt of computing power annually. For context, that is roughly double the current chip manufacturing capacity of the entire United States. This facility acts as the physical bridge. By providing shared hardware, it forces Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI to function as a single synchronized machine. The drive toward this merger is rooted in a looming supply chain crisis. Modern AI requires massive amounts of processing power, but third-party suppliers like TSMC are hitting a production ceiling. TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, is the world's largest chip foundry and currently supplies the majority of high-end AI processors. Building chips in-house has become an operational requirement for survival. Without its own fabrication capacity, an AI company is tethered to the production limits and expansion schedules of external partners. However, manufacturing chips on this scale creates a massive energy problem. Powering and cooling these processors on the ground requires a level of electricity and water that Earth's infrastructure is struggling to provide, forcing a search for alternatives beyond our atmosphere. This has led to the development of orbital compute. The concept involves launching AI data centers into space to bypass the thermal and energy limits found on the ground. The 4 companies align. Terafab manufactures chips. xAI provides digital intelligence. Tesla supplies solar architecture, and SpaceX provides orbital delivery. Operating in orbit offers 2 advantages. The vacuum of space provides near-limitless cooling, while constant solar irradiance offers uninterrupted energy. The strategy hinges on a significant trade-off, incurring the high initial cost of orbital launches to achieve near-zero costs for hardware operation. If SpaceX can reduce launch expenses sufficiently, the combination of free cooling and power could create a net cost advantage that Earthbound data centers cannot replicate. This engineering alignment is being mirrored in corporate law. Recent filings in Nevada for entities XA merger sub and XS merger sub indicate the legal framework for a formal merger is already being built. The intended result is X Holdings, a unified conglomerate with a projected valuation between $1.5 and $2.5 trillion. This restructuring marks a historic shift. It moves Musk's companies away from being a loose collection of tech firms and transforms them into a single, vertically integrated everything company. However, the merger faces a significant hurdle regarding ownership. Musk holds a 43% stake in SpaceX, but only 13% in Tesla. This disparity creates a risk of self-dealing, where terms favor his private holdings. Analysts warn poorly structured deals could lose billions in investor equity. Because of these stakes, the SEC and the FTC are closely monitoring the consolidation. The SEC is the Securities and Exchange Commission, which protects investors, and the FTC is the Federal Trade Commission, which ensures fair market competition. Their oversight is meant to prevent what could become a historic wealth transfer controversy. The ultimate goal is a robotics-as-a-service model. In this ecosystem, one entity controls the ground-based robotic hardware, the software that directs it, and the orbital data centers that connect the entire system. The boundaries between these sectors are dissolving. Every Tesla vehicle and every SpaceX launch represents a different facet of the same technological stack, converging into a single massive corporate structure.